Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to change background color in Canva mobile app. Now, if you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just click on the background on bottom. As you can see this option color, just click on it. Click on the color wheel and select whatever color you desire. I'm going with a blue. You can also make your background gradient. Just click on this gradient option and choose your gradient colors. There are two colors combination. Just choose whatever you like. Also, you can select styles from here. These are all gradient styles. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.